guys, we got a little problem trying to take care of on the blazer here. As you know, we got the engine in, got the transmission in. But the one problem that I'm having is the transmission mount is not lining up. At first I thought it was because I used the motor mounts and the frame plates for the 01 S10. I actually ordered some motor mounts for a 94 Blazer, and I put the original frame plates back on, swapped the engine mounts, and that didn't really give me any room that I needed. So I did a little more research and found out that transmission in the 2001 mounts about 2 inches further back than the earlier model 4L60Es. So I'm going to show you kind of what I'm fighting against right now. So right there, here's about where the mount for the transmission bolts, and it's about 2 inches further back from where the mounting point is on the crossmember. So what I'm going to have to do is I want to cut the crossmember about 2 inches from here, and then same thing on the other side. So there'll be an 8-inch piece here. I'm going to slide it back, and then I'm going to plate it and weld it together. But first I have to give myself a little more room under here and get this crossmember out. Alright guys, so we have to connect our fuel line. So what I have is some nylon fuel line. What we're going to do is we're going to push this in. We'll measure up where we need it, and then we'll cut it, and we'll do the other side. So I haven't done this with the nylon hose yet, so we'll go through this together with everything that I've learned or read about. So the first way we're going to try is seeing someone actually clamp down their hose. These are the lines that go to the intake manifold, the engine. So I'm going to cut these right back here. And these lines, these are the lines that are on the truck. So I want to get rid of these rubber lines. So I'm going to cut these back here, right behind the rubber hose. I want to have that nylon line go through here, go back through the clamp, and then to the motor. So that's what I'm going to work on now. Alright, we've got our new lines on. And that goes right to the frame rail clamp. It goes back here. I got rid of all the rubber hose. So now we're ready for fuel. So to modify our transmission crossmember, we're going to cut section out. So I went through and I made a straight box all the way around. So I'm going to cut this, bolt it in the truck. This will be back about 2 inches, and then I got some plate I'm going to weld it back together with. I made my line. This is 3/16 angle, so I'm just cutting a set of 3/16 steel out. That'll be my plate. My stamp of approval. I'm gonna let it cool down some. I'll put some fresh paint on it. Shove it in there. Alright. She's been modified. She's in. It's sitting all on its own weight now. Pretty happy with the way it's turned out. back a little bit. So that's our lovely progress with the install. So yeah, things are moving along nicely.